The person who invented the 3D printer is a genius. No matter what can be printed, it will add material layer by layer based on the 3D model until it forms the final shape of the object. 3D printers have multiple stepper motors, where the x-axis is used to control the left and right movement of the print head, the y-axis is used to control the forward and backward movement of the platform, and the z-axis is obvious. As the motor rotates, the print unit moves up and down along the threads. Since our world is three-dimensional, 3D printers can theoretically print anything by controlling these three axes. In addition to the crafts we know, 3D printers can print houses and even human organs. The material for the 3D printer is extruded by this nozzle, above which there is a heating element that heats the material above its melting point, thus turning it into a fluid state. Next to it is a thermocouple to measure the temperature, and as soon as the temperature exceeds a threshold, a thermal fuse cuts off the circuit. To prevent the printhead from overheating, a heat sink is added, which effectively dissipates the heat to improve printing efficiency. Next to it is an extrusion motor, which exerts a forward force on the material so that the printhead can have a constant flow of material. 3D printing is additive manufacturing, so the process produces little to no waste. In contrast, CNC machines are cut and paste manufacturing, where material is cut down to create an object, a process that typically produces a lot of waste.